Hello, hello. In an interesting turn of events, today is me hosting the session, and I would like to introduce you Marie-Alice Blete, who is one of conference participants and speakers. And today we are talking about shifting AI to engineers. Could you please tell us a bit about your work and why you chose this topic?
I'm a conference speaker and I have been attending tech conferences for several years. And I have seen a real evolution on how these conferences handle the subject of AI. A few years ago, AI, you saw some topics on AI, but it was more like, okay, this is fun. It's like an alien subject or a curiosity subject. Sometimes one or two people would do, hey, look, I did this small project with this framework or this model, and I did this, and it was fun, but it was really hobby-like. Then there was this year, and there was the ChatGPT boom, and there were many talks on ChatGPT, many talks on LLMs, but still it was just people were curious. They wanted to know how it worked. There was some subjects on how we could use them, but like in Copilot, for example. Have you used GitHub Copilot?
Yes, quite a few times. Actually, I'm kind of developer tools geek, so every time something shows up, I try it out. And I would like to say that AI is definitely conquering the world. I have something like 2 dozen subscriptions for different tools, so I'm going to be broke before AI conquers the world.
Yeah, so I think that was the topics last year was this: how to use ChatGPT, what's underneath it, and things like Copilots. And then there's this year. I think it's completely different. It's actual software engineers or developers that are really taking over AI, taking over LLMs. I think there's a real shift between AI is for data scientists to AI is for coders, and I don't know how you.
Yeah, I definitely agree. So actually, I started in hardware space. So even before data science, there was quite a lot of adoption of AI because we needed accelerators, first data processing on GPUs, etc. There was some demand. Then Bitcoin came, and it was also quite aligned with this topic. So it was quite hot. But today, in software engineering, we use AI tools every day. And it's not just writing code, it's also writing documentation, writing commit messages. So there is a special tool you can buy just for writing concise and good commit messages that align with conventional commits. So quite a lot of such stuff.
Yeah, I think that's the tool aspect. But really, I think there's something else that is happening right now. It's really software engineers are using AI for their own projects to build new features into the applications. There's many talks on AI. There are many talks on RAG, for example, people building stuff with AI, new projects, and that's it's not just a tool anymore. It's coders are really, using it for their own projects, and I think that's a real change.
So my question to you: when can we finally retire?
Sorry,
when we can finally retire?
When can we retire? I don't believe in AI replacing us. I think AI will automate many aspects of our jobs. That's for sure. But replace us, I don't believe in that. There's many projects like AutoGen, for example, where you have agents. They have different roles, and they're supposed to simulate a project and build stuff on their own. But when you step out of the Pong game, it doesn't. It's not that good. So no, I don't believe in that. But what I believe in is really software engineers coming up with new frameworks, new tools to use it better and to make it ready for production, and not just fun and POCs and only research. There's really a shift in research to real products.
So good news, everyone. So far, AI is developer tools. It provides support. It's definitely something to learn if you want to become more productive, and check out the existing tools. Uh, if we are just starting, what tool would you recommend? Just for the last question.
To run your own local model, I would definitely recommend using Olama. Mm-hmm. It's a very easy few command lines. You have a local LLM running in Docker. Well, you have to have some power on your computer, of course, but it's quite magical. Before you had to have a degree in data science. Now just with a simple Olama run, you have your LLM that's running. Yeah.
Definitely. And thanks a lot for your time.
Thank you.
Thanks everyone watching us. And if you want to know more about AI, basically join any conference or software engineering, because half of the agenda these days are AI. And stay tuned for news. Maybe we will have Gradle PT, maybe we will have, there is already Devoxx Genie that is also AI specifically created for Devoxx and by Devoxx team. Maybe we will hear about it a little bit later.
Yeah, I'm going to that talk right now.
Yep. Good luck and thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, and we need to